Hi everyone, it's Tiffany here to do my recap of a few trades I did today. I took Facebook as a double top right here on the 1 minute. It also made a new 5-minute low. My first partial was at this 50 moving average on the 1 minute chart, which was also very close to this 9 moving average on the 5-minute chart. Then I took another partial because of the 1 minute chart. It almost looked like it was about to turn around, so I went ahead and grabbed another partial, and then it came up and stopped me out at break even because, like I said, once I start taking partials, I move my stop to break even. But after it did that, I wasn't excuse me, I thought it had another leg down, so I actually re-entered the short when it lost these moving averages on the 1 minute. It was kind of a little scalp because my stop was right above this this 50 moving average, and I went ahead and partialed right at this 100 moving average, and then it came up and stopped me out at break even, and then I ended up losing out on this really nice drop. But that was my Facebook trade. And then I traded Microsoft. This is not as clean of a reversal as the Facebook trade, but as you can see here on Microsoft, it made this high, and the volume came in right here and put up an indecision candle. When it came back down, I thought that this was the area that confirmed that it was reversing. I kind of used this as a level, and when these moving averages started crossing and heading down, the 9 and the 20 and the 50 started coming up, and it made a new low, I went short, and then I got stopped out. But then when I'm taking a reversal and followed by this high volume indecision candle, and then there's a really nice doji right here that happened, and it couldn't make a new high. That was a really good signal for me to go short. So I didn't catch it right here. I really wanted a little bit more confirmation. So when it came under these, the 9 and 20, and this 50 was for sure crossing this time, I went short again. My first partial was at the 100 moving average on the 1 minute, and my second partial was this 20 moving average on the 5 minute. And then I went ahead and partialed here as well. It just seemed like it was very far away from the view app, and after this big move, I wanted to make sure that I took another partial, and there was a little indecision candle right here on the 1 minute. And then I exited most of my position at view app. And then when it came back up and tested these moving averages, came back down, tested the view app again, I went ahead and exited the rest of my position. But that was it. Those were my 2 trades today. I hope you all had a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.